Hello ladies and gentlemen, Simon here. Welcome to Geekbang channel. And today I'm going to introduce you to an excellent home camera from Xiaomi. Dafang Smart 1080p Wi-Fi camera, which costs you around 20 bucks, but it comes with a gorgeous performance. Without further ado, let's get started. In the box, we find the camera, a user manual, a long cable, and an adapter. Nothing more. Let's take a close look at the Dafang camera. At the front, we got the light sensor, the indicator light above, and the 1080p HD camera lens. Yes, it can rotate 93 degrees vertically. Move to the back. We got the speaker, USB port. Wait, USB port? Why we got an USB port? This supports U-disk storage and micro USB to enable you to connect to power source. At the bottom, we have the setup key, micro SD card slot, and the mic. Beyond all that, we got a 1/4-inch thread in the middle of rubber base. I like that because you can either mount somewhere or just put on the desk and will not be slipped away easily. To use it, just simply connect it to power source. Within about 15 seconds, it starts to self-rotate. Long press setup key for 3 seconds until it says "Reset is successful, waiting to connect." Open Mi Home app, press plus icon on the upper right corner, press add manually. Choose Dafang camera. Wait until you hear a voice prompt and go to next. Input the Wi-Fi password, then you will get a QR code. Scan the QR code. Wait until connecting is successful. Then voila! What I like most about Dafang camera is it's moving. It's not just like other home cameras sit there like an idiot. If you are lazy enough to press any key to rotate it, just press cruise button on app and then it keeps moving by itself. Gives an almost 360-degree viewing angle to monitor your room. Enough about that, enjoy!